Ratio of sugar to water when making hummingbird food. The air seems thick with magic when a hummingbird hovers nearby, iridescent feathers gleaming in the light. According to the U.S. Department of Fish and Wildlife, the hummingbird is plagued by loss of habitat. However, you can make your own hummingbird food to provide these delicate and effervescent birds with needed sugar by mixing 4 parts water to 1 part sugar. Hummingbird feeding needs. Hummingbirds need both protein small insects and energy nectar, or hummingbird food in order to survive. According to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services, a hummingbird will consume half its weight in sugar daily. Homemade hummingbird food in a well-placed feeder will go a long way in helping this species survive. Hummingbird food recipe. An easy hummingbird food recipe is to first boil 4 cups of water for more than 30 seconds, then mix water with 1 cup pure cane sugar. Fill hummingbird feeder and refrigerate remaining food for up to 2 weeks. Refresh every 4 to 5 days. To avoid. Do not use honey or artificial sweeteners when making hummingbird food, and avoid food dyes. Do not microwave mixture. Do not allow feeder to become dirty or to form yeast. Soak in vinegar or warm sudsy water to clean, making sure to rinse well before returning it outside.